Now let us know about advantage of networking. Efficient use of storage media. It is better to store a several application data on a network drive than to store a copy of application on its user storage device. Next one is preserving information. When we can keep backup on the central location, we have to one place to look for the lost information. Reducing in hardware cost. In a network, the hardware devices which are not used very often like modem, printer, scanner, CD, writer can be shared. Now come to the network component. To establish the wire networking in a group of computers, we require the following additional component. These are the component. First of all, network card. A network card is used to physically attach a computer to a network through the Ethernet network card. Now, network cable. The modern Ethernet network card are used to twisted cable containing 8 pairs, and that cable is known as RJ45. Now, hub and switch. We need an interface through the computers can be connected and sending and receiving the data can take place. This function is performed by hub and switches. Types of networking. There are 3 types. First one, LAN, that is local area network. MAN, MAN, that means metropolitan area network. And our third one is WAN, wide area network. Let us discuss about LAN. It is very slow in speed as compared to WAN. Our second point, it connects within a small area such as room, office, building or campus. Now our second one is MAN, MAN, metropolitan area network. MAN is a large network than LAN. Since it covered a city is called metropolitan. MAN common example are television, branches of local bank in a city, etc. And the last one is WAN. This kind of network connect 2 or more computers located at very far away places. Second point, the common example of WAN are telecom system, ATM facility, multinational bank, customer service. Network architecture. A network architecture is an overall design of a computer network. Network architecture are divided into 2 parts. First one, pre-to-pre network, and second one, client server network. In pre-to-pre network is a network where a few computers have equal capacity are connected together to use resources available on the network. In pre-to-pre network, there is no certain service. Client server network. In this part, at first you should know what is server. A server is a computers that provide service to client and control access to hardware, software and other resources. Now, client are the computers which request service like data, retrieving, etc. from the server. Client server network. It is a network where the several computers called client or workstation are connected to the main computer called server. Now our last topic is network security. As we know, the most important aspect in computers networking is data security. Data security means protecting the data and resources from access by unauthorized person. There are two levels of network security. First one is login security, where we can use unique login name and password. And the last one is write security, where we can give our name, username. You are given right like read only access or read write access or no access at all. That's all for today class. If you have any doubts or query, please message me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.